Today my friends will demonstrate 7 yoga poses.
My name is I study in grade 1. Mountain pose, This is mountain pose. It helps us stand tall, improve our feature and increase body balance. Knee pose is Vrikshasana. It helps the concentration, balance and strengthens your necks. Thank you. Cobra pose. This is cobra pose. It stretches the back muscles and improve posture and open the chest. Thank you. This is called child pose. This helps us relax our body, calms the mind and reduces stress. Good morning everyone. My name is T.L. Nishita. I am studying in grade 3. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Swasana. This downward facing dog, it stretches the whole body and helps improve strength and flexibility. Thank you.
Corpse pose, Shavasana. This is corpse pose. It helps our body to relax and reduces stress and refreshes the mind. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mashnika. I am studying in grade 3. Today I am going to talk about importance of yoga. Yoga is important because it keeps our body healthy, improves flexibility and balance, increases concentration and reduces stress, and help us stay happy and active. Practicing yoga every day helps us maintain a healthy body and a peaceful mind. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Manika Chittumbari. I am studying in grade 3. Today I am talking about conclusion. This pose helps us develop a healthy body and a calm mind. Let us all practice yoga every day. Make it a part of our healthy lifestyle. Thank you.
Three, 4, 5, returns to 20.